Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from the Joom app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Joom app. On the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. And if you scroll down, then the last option is to sign out. If you tap on it, you tap on yes, and you signed out from your profile. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.